In this video, we will see how to download Oracle database and Oracle SQL developer tool. If you want to communicate with the database, we need some development tools. The tools are Oracle SQL developer, SQL plus, Toad. Oracle SQL developer icon is this one. SQL plus is a command prompt. Toad icon is this one. Now I am going to Google search. I am typing Oracle database download. I am going Oracle official website. Here you can see Oracle database 23AI free get started. I will download Oracle database 23 AI version. Here you should click link to download. Okay, I am using Windows 64 operating system, so I am downloading this one. Okay, now Oracle database download in progress. The total size is 1.3 GB. This is a zip file. Currently download in progress. Now download completed. Okay, now this is zip file. First I need to unzip this one. Unzip in progress now. Now we should go this inside unzip folder. Here you can see setup icon. Double click on this. Click yes. Now Oracle database installation in progress. Here click next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click this one. Then next. Next. Database password I am giving admin. Admin. Same password should match here. I am clicking next. I am clicking install icon. Now installation in progress. We need to wait until this installation completed. Currently installation in progress, so we will wait. Currently Oracle database installation in progress, so we will wait until this installation completed. One more pop-up also will open like this. So we will wait. Currently Oracle database installation in progress. Now Oracle database installed successfully. Now we will click this finish icon. Okay, now Oracle database installed in my system. Okay, now we will check whether Oracle database successfully installed or not. I will open SQL plus command prompt. Here type cmd. We should open command prompt. This is the SQL plus window. Type SQL plus, username is sys, password is admin. During the Oracle database installation, I gave admin password. Connection sys as sysdba. Okay. SQL plus, give system/admin. Okay, here you can see connected Oracle database 23i free release version 23 successfully connected. If you come symbol like this, the database successfully installed in the system. Okay, next we will see how to download Oracle SQL Developer Tool. Just now Oracle database successfully installed. Now I will install Oracle SQL Developer Tool. Here in the Google search type SQL Developer download for Windows. Okay, again I am going Oracle official website. I am using Windows 64 operating system, so I am downloading from here. SQL Developer version is 24.3.1.347.1826. Okay, SQL Developer download in progress. Yeah, I think download completed. Okay, this SQL Developer also downloaded zip format. First we need to unzip. Okay, unzip in progress. We will wait until this unzip completed. Okay, SQL Developer, go to this SQL Developer unzip folder. Here you can see this icon SQL Developer application, right? Double click on this. It will open one tool. Once opened, would you like to import preferences from previous SQL Developer installation? I will give no. Once this Oracle SQL Developer open, I will connect Oracle database. Okay, if you click this plus symbol, it will connect one. It will connect to Oracle database. Okay, it's open. Username I will give system. If once Oracle database installed, this system user default available in the Oracle database. Password I will give admin because during the Oracle database installation I gave admin. Click this save box. Remaining fine. Here I will give name XE. Okay, first we will test whether it is successfully connected or not. Test. Cannot connect to database. SIDXE is not recognized with the listener at host localhost 1521. Okay, remove this one. Then test again. Okay, successfully connected. Now save. Then connect. Okay, once connected, the window open like this. That means you have successfully connected with Oracle database from Oracle SQL Developer tool. This is Oracle SQL Developer tool. Okay, I will run one query. We will check whether it is successfully installed or not. Select star from all tables. I will run. Okay, I got some results. So Oracle database successfully connected with Oracle SQL Developer tool. If you download and install Oracle database and SQL Developer, both tools, it will take around 30 minutes. Okay, in this video, we have successfully installed Oracle database and Oracle SQL Developer tool and successfully connected Oracle database with SQL plus command prompt also. Thanks for watching this video.